Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Saputra and I'm from BSc University in the Kramat 98. I want to explain about operating system and software, the new era of business, My name is Dwi Saputra from class 90, 2D and 7. Introduction. Technology is usually used for a human to make life more easier and effective. In 21st century, technologies was booming because in every activities, human needs technologies to make things easier and can be found in every aspect of life. One of the most popular technologies we know is a personal computer. So in purpose to gain more knowledge of technologies of specific PC software and operating system, in here I wanna explain and present it about the operating system and software. It was one of the most important part of the technologies. The definition of operating system is operating system or program manage a computer resource, especially the allocation of those resources among the other program. Typically, typical resource include central processing unit or CPU, computer memory, file storage, input-output device, and network connection (ATC). Instead of the operating system in the main component of the computer that keep everything working together. So in base, I want to explain about the table operating system were the base of all the system that handle process management, memory management, storage, distributed system, and a case studies. Operating system run it all, so your computer can run in ease. Next, I want to explain about type of operating system. There is a several type of operating system that should be remembered. Open source is a operating system that operating for open public purpose and can be modified based on what the user need and no need to pay for subscription to access it. Closed source is operating system that need license to work or you gotta pay before you access it if they were much stable and open source. Mobile operating system is the OS that work on a mini computer or mobile phone. Want to explain it? This one is the example of the open source computer called Ubuntu. Open source is that the operating system that can modify and likes by the user and you don't need to pay for it. The closed source system is the system that created by the company and you gotta pay before you gonna access it and it was more stable than open source. The example is Microsoft mobile operating is work on a phone or iOS or a mobile. The example are Android and iOS. Example of operating system open source operating system is a Unix, Linux, Debian, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, CentOS, Nopix, and Kali Linux ATC. Closed source operating system is Windows from Microsoft and Mac from Apple. Mobile is Android and iOS and BlackBerry. Don't forget it. This is the logo, as you can see. Next is software and application definition. Application software, often referred or simply as apps or program, is a class of software specifically designed to perform various tasks and functions for end user. Unlike system software, mismanage and computer hardware and offer a platform for other software to run on, application software serve more user and centric purpose. All all of this application is work for a user and or user centric purpose. So they were created for user like this one is a Google Maps that created for navigation, Photoshop for editing, Mozilla and for Internet Explorer and Chrome for Internet Explorer 2. There were also word processing and number processing, PayPal for finance and any other. Software and application type is word processing. Word processing software manage document creation. It empowers users to craft and edit text document with remarkable flexibility, like this one. So it's called Microsoft Word. Spreadsheet are backbone of data management and complex calculation acts of, for instance, simplify financial analysis and inventory tracking and statistical computation. This one is Excel. Graphic design software like a Photoshop unlock the world of visual creativity. Artists and designer employ for image manipulation, photo retouching, crafting captivation digital arts, and provide advanced tool for precise editing and design work. So this one is Photoshop or this Adobe. Web browsing are a getaway for last expense of the internet. Chrome and Firefox, among the other, offer rapid page loading, secure browsing, and a flamethrower extension of customizing the online experience. Like this one, example is a Chrome and maybe a Mozilla, perhaps. Example of application software is word processing, like Microsoft Word, developed by Microsoft, Spreadsheet, Excel, media editing, Photoshop from Adobe Photoshop, and search engine is a Chrome, Mozilla, and Internet Explorer. Malicious program, like a malware or malicious program, is an umbrella term that describes any malicious program or code that harmful to the system. Hostile, intrusive, intentionally nasty. Malware seeks to invade, damage, or disable computer system, network, tablet, mobile device, often by taking partial control and over device operation like a human flu. It interfere with normal functioning. Malicious program examples like a Trojan horse, Emotet applies to application as our user would benefit from. Worm, Stuxnet replace your network computer. Bots, EchoBots, work launch a flood of attacks. Ransomware, every UK disable access to computing company assets until the ransom is paid. When I explain about a malicious program, the malicious program is simply a program that created by an invader, or you can say cracker and hacker. They were created a virus or malicious software for invade the system or do nasty or illicit stuff by doing the exploitation or something to damage the company or to disable the access of the company assets like a ransomware. It was a very dangerous, and the only thing that you can protect the your computer from malicious program is install an antivirus or activate the firewall that can protect your computer and your access from any other thing. So after that, your computer is secure from any other content. I guess that's all. I will take my leave. I'm sorry if my word or my action is wrong. My apologies. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.